Hello from the Broncolor studio and welcome to the world of the paras. This short video is about the differences between the paras, and also I would like to talk about the accessories that are available, such as honeycomb grit and diffusers. Paras come in 4 different sizes. Para 222, 177, not on display today, Para 133 and the 88. The number obviously refers to the diameter in centimeters. Let's talk about the big paras first, represented by Para 222. These paras are made from a highly reflective material, which means we can dramatically change the light characteristic by focusing or defocusing them. Focusing means that the lamp head is all the way in, and then the light leaves the parabolic reflector almost parallel, which means you can have a lot of light far away. It's like a huge spot. On the other side, you can defocus the lamp head, pretty much this position right now. And in this situation, we get a wonderful wraparound objects or models. We get a beautiful 3D effect from the lighting. Let me show this and explain this quickly with the help of a couple of photographs. The first picture is an example for the paras used in focused positions. The building, it's a water tower, is illuminated with 2 paras, a 222 on the right side and a 177 on the left side, both in fully focused positions. The Para 177 is, let's say, like a main light, and you can see its light on the bright upper part of the building. On the other side, we have the Para 222 is used more like a fill-in light to brighten up the very dark shadows. The 222 is about 70 to 80 meters away from the building. The main light, the Para 177, is maybe at a distance of 30 meters from the water tower, and this illustrates the amazing and very high light output you can expect from paras even over large distances. Then we have a look at this full body fashion shot here. The only light on the model is a Para 222, defocus in this situation, and like this, the light automatically focuses in the center of the body with beautiful gradations to both sides. So no problems with separations, even from a white model on a white background. Obviously, the background is additionally illuminated with 2 softboxes left and right behind the model. And if we go a little closer to the model, obviously different shooting, different model, we see again the same light characteristic. The light focuses properly in the center of the body with beautiful gradations and the perfect separation to the background. As a little extra, you see as well the para in the reflections of the glasses, and you can see that actually the para is brighter at the peripheric, and this is the reason for this beautiful wraparound effect. Let's talk about the accessories. I mounted here on the Para 222 a diffuser number 2. There is as well a diffuser number 1 with a lower optical density and a diffuser number 3 with a very high optical density. Number 3 would actually close the para pretty much and convert it more in a round softbox. However, with diffuser number 1 and 2, as you can see, there's still a lot of light traveling through the diffusers, so you can still profit from this beautiful wraparound and 3D effect. Beside this, we have honeycomb grits available as well, but according to my understanding, they make more sense on the smaller paras. This has something to do with the reflective material. I will talk about this in a minute. However, if you focus the shiny paras, so the 222 and the 177, the light already leaves the reflector more or less parallel. So of course the grits would even spot the light more, but it's not as important as with the smaller paras where we have a more diffusion from the reflective material already. So let's start talking about the small paras, 133 and the 88. These 2 paras, they have a much more textured reflective material, which means the difference between focus and defocus is not that dramatic anymore. But on the other hand, I get a much more even light distribution. So for a large set where I need a very even light, I would rather choose one of the smaller paras. On the other hand, if I would like to get this beautiful wraparound, this beautiful 3D effect, I would rather go for the big ones. Accessories. Here I think that the grids are very, very important. As I said, the reflective material is not as precise, so we cannot focus the para as properly as before. And of course here the grids help a lot to limit the light angle, to spot the light more precisely. Beside this, the two paras are quite comparable. The big advantage of the 133 is of course that I can stand in front of it and I'm not blocking the entire light source. Standing in front of the paras is anyway one of the main applications of these beautiful light shapers. The two small paras have one more important difference compared to the big ones. And this difference is that they can be used without the focusing system. So here the 133 is used as a reflector only. You can see from this side that there is no focusing tube. On the 88, if I take the grids away, you can still see that this is the normal para application with the focusing tube. This is very convenient if you don't want to take the extra weight, if you already know that you would like to use it in the focused position. Of course, here you get as well some additional light from the lamp head, which now looks in the different direction. Last but not least, you see how versatile the para is. Here I use it with a Pulsar G head from PowerPack. That's a LED F160 and that's even a compact unit. Everything fits in the paras. There are also adapters for competitive products. So if you would like to use the beautiful paras, but you do not have Broncolor lamp heads yet, there are adapters available for selected products. That's pretty much it for today. But if you would like to learn more, especially about the Para 222, go to the broncolor.swiss website and there you go to the how-to videos. You will find a video that we produced in cooperation with Carl Taylor, explaining the light of the Para 222 very, very precisely. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye.